So basically this is the noise. Kwenkwen. So that's why it's called Kwenkwen. Hey. So look where. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yes, so I'm Kumasi-Ghana, yeah, or Kumasi-Ghana, yeah. And I'm bringing one of the popular and famous street food we have in Kumasi. This food is delicious and popular to the extent that it has its own unique name. Kwenkwen. It has the wache vibes, but it's not wache. They use our local rice to prepare this food. So delicious, but those in Kumasi knows what I'm talking about. But you have to try this food anytime you get to Kumasi. And over here, I'm here with my friend, Madam Miriam, right? Maria, okay. So if this is the first time watching, can you subscribe? Tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this. Today's video is sponsored by GK Homes, and GK Homes is a modern real estate company that builds luxury European 2 and 3 bedroom townhouses at Amasam and Accra, Ghana. All rooms are fully furnished with modern quality luxury styles like top floor family or play area, luxury German kitchen style, walk-in closet, bedroom balconies, spacious living room, and all the doors are being fitted with Turkey security doors. There's also security walls with alarm systems, modern staircase, and so many more. It's also affordable, so if you want to become house owner with peace of mind to sleep and to work, GK Homes is what you need. They also have an amazing payment plan for your mortgage that you love it. So what are you waiting for? Call this number on the screen +44 789 717 6552. GK Homes, signature of luxury and quality. So when I got there, they've already started preparing the food, and to prepare this food you need a sauce. And this sauce is done how Senegalese prepare their jollof rice. So basically they'll add oil, pepper, onion, tomato, salted fish, everything together to stir fry it. Quite Senegal for a jollof no. Okay, so oil, onion, then salted fish, then pepper, then tomatoes. Okay, to make this either sauce, you know. Is that the time for the Kwenkwen? Okay, so as I said, no. Basically, it's like wache. Okay, so they cook spaghetti and everything in addition. So they use local rice over here, and since local rice has stones in it, they do wash it like this to get all the stones out. So this is a local rice. Basically, this is planted in the northern part of Ghana. Okay, Tamale and those places. I didn't know you use local rice there. Who used to normal rice at the year? I didn't hear. But you watch you use normal rice there, watch it. Watch you more, but you use normal rice. And to Kwenkwen is on local rice. And they day, no. Okay, but that means what you use normal rice there, but any day. Any day. Oh, okay. So here's Kwada supermarket, and the market over there to the sell onions over there. So this road leads to Kwenkwen side. Agric, okay, Agric in Zuma, those places. And over here, Kwada Sunkremo, this lady sells the Kwenkwen over here. This is the shop, in the settings, you know. So after everything is cooked, you know, this is where she sells everything. Over there to the self food over there. Anyway, typical food joints, Ankasa. It's more like wache. This is more boiling, and the rice goes in like that. Wow. Okay, and over here too, they have egg on fire. Here is beans, so they'll boil the beans and they add it to it. Okay, so that's the beans. So the beans is not ready. Okay, so over here too, she's preparing the salad. This fish, as I say, you can't buy Kwenkwen without fish. So they have fish and the meat. Which one is saying 2 cities? Oh really, 2 cities? The fish weight 2 cities? It's 2 cities? Weight 3. Oh okay, I know it's 3. 2 now weight 3. And I'm not. Okay. Wow. 5 cities. Okay. So we add salt to the fish to wash it. So nicely arranged like this so that the water can drain down. Over here too is the meat. Okay. So they fry the meat as well. And, man, I can't wait to try this food. My first time trying this, and I'll be hearing the name Kwenkwen for a very long time. Since I'm in Kumasi, I can't go without trying it. I have to try this to know why people are making noise about this food. If we really deserve this noise. So salt has been added to the meat. to give that tasty vibe of it. So this is what we have. Man, some amazing cooking over here. The aroma coming, it's really amazing. Wow. Wow. So make sure that we mix everything together. So basically, I was asking why they are not using leaves to cover it, and she's explaining me to that they need the rubber, okay, like that. So the vapor, you see how the rubber is being pumped up like that, is the vapor. So the vapor will have to cook the rice. That's why they've tied the edge of the pot so that the vapor can stay inside and cook the rice. Since the local rice, you need more vapor to cook it. Okay, so as soon as the rubber goes down, meaning the food is ready. But now that it's like that, meaning it's still cooking. So you can see that it's now down. Okay, the rope is being taken off, and this is the Kwenkwen. So they make the final stir before it comes off fire. It looks amazing, no? So the basic is just making a tomato sauce with a lot of water in it. Then you add in the rice, the local rice. To have an authentic Kwenkwen, you need the local rice. Okay. The rubber also prevents it from getting cold, yeah. It helps maintain the vapor inside, to remain hot for a long time. I never do it for I black. Oh, okay, you know, and I look at shiny back. Oh, okay. Bling bling, yeah, you can bling bling. Echo. So basically, this is the noise. Kwenkwen. So, which here double miss here? So that's the noise. That's why it's called Kwenkwen. Hey. So look where. Okay, so I'm from Baden ABC. Yes. I saw the ball. A traditional one. It goes on top like that. Salad, spaghetti, beans. Then the shito, the stew, everything comes. Wow. So the setup is more like watching, kind of. Yeah, watching if I tell you. Man, we're done with the Kwenkwen. It's amazing food. First time trying this food, and I'm curious, very curious, because man, people are making noise about this food. So I need the food officer is here. You know, taste this to see the about the standard and everything. As you can see, I'm here for local food only. Yeah, Kwenkwen from Kumasi. Amazing. Let's take a bite. So tomato sauce, hot pepper, salad, egg, fish, spaghetti, and the Kwenkwen itself, and then the beans as well. Okay, so first bite with the shito, peche like that. Okay. Okay. Very nice. It's nice, man. The food is nice. As I said earlier, it's kind of a feel like a watching version, but the process is different. And man, wow. Man, this is Kwenkwen who lie. Kwenkwen who lie. So I now understand why people make noise about this food, Kwenkwen. So nice. Wow. Man, the food very nice, so delicious, so delicious. Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you like the video. Kwenkwen, Kumasi, yeah. So if this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you share the video so that the family can grow. Yeah. Amazing recipe from Ashanti region, Kumasi, and man. Kwada soup to precise. Kwada soup, Krada soup. And man, it's Kwenkwen. Let's meet again for Shezemanizo. Cooking with Sindaco. I'm out, man. It's got food, but I didn't different Kwada soup.
Hello, it's like I said, yeah, no muna. They issue and a down our one bar. Let's come to
okay.
And the Arabian Mobana is come to no Busasa, Benya Babian Mishuna. Near Chuma. No Mubisasa, no Madame Sensuin Biano. It's yeah, and then for the crack at Toso.
Krada
soup. We are a corner, Krada soup. Okay. Yeah, so far, I can't even know, but yeah, penny from there. I think so. We don't bet much more, but basically, a cranny, then soon. It's no way for. It's like I say there. I say, dining, you know. I keep to. I say, wow, Krada soup was a cock. Now, Krada soup. Several of the media says, wow. Man, this is an amazing story over here. Krada, so oh wow, interesting. It's a Krada. That is why the KWA. That is why the KWA.
Because of spelling,
you know. Wow. Wow, Krada. Amazing. Amazing. The meaning of Krada. Oh, now I told you this way. And what to it? Okay, the Batman's way. Okay, Krada so okay. But make sure I told you about you. Wow.